First we need to open Scala IDE and then go to File and then New and then go to Other. Here we need to create a Maven project. Click Next, and we'll create a simple project. Click Next, and then we need to give here group ID and artifact ID. For that, go to the page where you'll find the group ID. Copy this and then go to Eclipse, paste it here, and then similarly get the artifact ID as well. Copy this and then paste it in the Eclipse and then finish. Now here you can see that the project is getting created, Spark Code 2.11, which you can see here. Let's wait until this gets created. So it's now building a workspace. Now you can add a, yeah, now it's done. First add a, go to configure and add Scala nature for this project, and then look at these files. Now it's still building the workspace. Now you can see, like, you need to go to build path, configure build path, and then go to Scala compiler, and then select use project settings and 2.11 bundle, and then apply this setting. Click OK. So now, as you can see here, it is under the file is under package org.clustering. So create this package in Eclipse. Source main Java, new package, paste this package name and then click finish. Now you need to create the Java file, k-means driver, new, we need to give other Scala object and then click next, and it is under this package, and then give here the name and then click finish. So the file is created. Now copy the code which is given here, sample code, and then paste this here, save this file, and now we need to add the POM. Go to your POM file and then we need to add the dependencies here. Change this to text file here, declaration artifact ID, form.xml. Once again, we need to change this into text file. Open with a generic text editor. Here you need to add under version the dependencies. Copy the dependencies and then paste that here in the, and then once again check this, configure build path, and then see whether it's 2.11 or not. Yeah, it's 2.11. Apply and close. It's building the workspace again. Let's wait till it gets completed and then we can create a jar file out of this. Building the workspace again. Yeah, done. Close this file and then save this, and then you can go this, export jar file next, and then save this on the desktop. browse desktop and name this as group 11, or you can say like save. So now the jar file is created. You can see on the desktop the jar file is created. And then go to Google here. Now we need to go to AWS and create the cluster. So go to services, EMR, and create cluster. Here you name it as project cluster and select the Spark here and then select M4 large and then go to advanced options. Here don't forget to select Spark and then enter the configuration file. Sorry. Uh, Bookmarks here we have that AWS cluster setup. Get the configuration from here in this video and then paste here and then go next. Here make everything is this as m4 dot launch, m4 dot launch and then save. Here also all the three should be m4 dot launch, m4 dot launch, and this should also be m4 dot launch. Save and then go to next. Here you need to name it again the same project cluster. And then next here you need to select the key which I have created. For that you need to go to this, go to EC2 console and then go to key pairs here key pairs and then create a project key pair by saying create key pair, which I have already done, so no need to do this. Now go back, go to your EMR again. This is a cluster which you have created and it's still starting, so we need to wait. But again now go to puttygen, load the private key which you have created. We need to say all files, project file, okay, and then we need to save this. And we need to first view the key phrase class and then save this private key in desktop project, then save. So the key is saved here. So once this gets started, we can go to the console. Till then, now you can see the cluster is started. So first we need to go to the master and then go to this master again. Add the inbound. Add the inboard. Here we need to edit and then add rule. Go to SSH and then keep this anywhere. Save this and then close this. Now collect this SSH here from the AWS and then go to putty here. First check the logging to save the output into a log file. Browse this and you can save this in a desktop. Same putty and then go to telnet, I mean SS all and then browse the key file which you have created project and then connection. Sorry, we have missed this. Open putty now. copy the SSH which you have copied and then go to logging here, and then once again save this, browse desktop putty, save, or we'll choose a different location maybe this time, or I'll choose pictures putty.log, and then go to SSH auth and then give the key which you have saved earlier, project, and then say open, click yes. Here you need to give your paraphrase. Now it has gone into console. Now give the command that mentioned here. So we have a jar file and we have created the cluster, and we need to upload the data in the bucket. So for that you need to download the car.zip car data. So go to here, this link, and download the zip file. Open this car data, copy all this, Control C, and paste this on desktop. And we need to upload this into S3. So for that we need to go services S3. Here I have already my bucket, so I'll upload those files. Add files, desktop, attributes, data, parameters, and the jar file. Open and then upload. So we have all the required files uploaded into our S3. Now go to that command which we need to give. Like for the master node download Spark action. The bucket name is my already existing bucket name, so 0108562 bucket. Spark actions snapshot jar. And this we have k-means dot jar, right? So it's k-means dot jar. Give this command in the putty terminal. So it's downloaded, and now go to uh, this command where we'll be running our program, and then go to notepad plus plus as this is not the exact file. Location of jar file is name dot jar, and bucket name is 0108529 bucket, and then car data dot text here. Give the start editing the file here, data.text, and then bucket name is again the same 801085629 bucket, and then this is the output folder. So run this command in the footy here again, run this. It will run for a couple of minutes. So submit package name dot class. Sorry, we have given the package name as wrong, so go to org.clusterings here, and then this should be the package name, and the class name is k means driver. So now this should do. Run this again in the putty. This will run for a couple of minutes, and it will produce the output. So it's starting the job and then running the task here, as you can see. So now it's done. You can check here in the S3 where you'll find the k-means output folder which is being generated. Thanks.